Take heed, let no man deceive you. Hi there, how are you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be looking at Mark chapter 13, reading verses 5 through to 7. And Jesus answering them began to say, Take heed lest any man deceive you, for many shall come in my name, saying, I am Christ, and shall deceive many. And will hear of wars and rumors of wars. Be ye not troubled, for such things must needs be, but the end shall not be yet. And you can continue to read in your spare time. I'm not here to fear or to put fear in your heart, but I'm here to let you know that be careful. Wolves are coming in sheep clothing. Spend time with the Lord. He said, my sheep knows my voice. Have a great day.